Char Koay Kak Malaysian fried rice cake. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 packet taro or plain rice cake, cut into 3/4 inch cubes, 32 ounces/900 grams, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons chives, pickled radish, chopped, 2 teaspoons chili paste, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste, 2 large eggs, 8 ounces bean sprouts, 225 grams, 4 ounces Chinese chives, cut into 1-inch lengths, 115 grams. Instructions: heat 1 tablespoon vegetable oil in a large non-stick fry pan. Pan fry cubed rice cake until lightly brown, about 15 minutes. Remove and set aside. Add remaining 3 tablespoons vegetable oil into the pan. Sauté garlic and chives, pickled radish until lightly brown. Stir in chili paste. Add pan-fried rice cubes, dark soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Stir to combine. Push rice cubes to the side of pan with spatula. Add eggs and toss rice cubes over eggs. Stir to get rice cubes coated with egg. Add bean sprouts and Chinese chives. Stir fry for another minute. Remove and serve immediately.